Hello and welcome back to Our Twisted Kitchen. Today we are going to go on the road. We're going to Muskegon, Michigan to check out a few of their options. We're going to get some drinks, we're going to get some appetizers and some extra food to show you guys what they have in Muskegon. So the first place that we're going to go to is called The Deck, and they actually have like a beachfront property, I believe. So we're going to go check out what they have there. They have a lot of cool drinks, it looks like. So I'm excited to get that going, and then I'm going to show you what kind of food we're going to get when we get there. But it's going to be a lot of fun because I have actually never been to any of these places in Muskegon. So I'm going to check them out with a special guest, and I will show you who our special guest is when we get there, and I am looking forward to it. I hope you guys are excited to go along on this road trip with me. And don't forget to, the sun's getting in my eyes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, there will be more travel vlogs going up soon. So don't forget to check those out, and yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I'm not at the restaurant, but I didn't get turned around. We're actually going to be going to a place called Unruly Brewing first. Say that 5 times fast.
Unruly Brewing, Unruly Brewing, Unruly Brewing.
And so my maps won't load for some reason, so I can't figure out where I'm at. So Andrea's going to come pick me up, and oh yeah, that's who my guest is, by the way, El Taco Verde. So she's going to come pick me up, and then we're going to go to Unruly Brewing, meet some of her friends there, and then kind of assess the situation from there. We might still go to the Deck. I would like to. The only thing is I need a parking pass, or like a state parking pass, to get in there, so I might have to purchase one of those, which is fine. But being by the lake is super exciting. So we're gonna go drink first, and then get some appetizers, and then get a dinner. So are you ready for it? Because I'm ready for it.
Thank you so much.
So there were actually quite a bit of options on this menu. They had vegan tacos, vegan nachos. They also had sweet potato nachos, which I should have tried, but I didn't. And then they also had the cauliflower tacos, which you'll see here in just a second. And we can't forget about all the wonderful drink options available at Rad Dad's. I'm pretty sure like 99.9% of these drinks have tequila in them, but I believe there's one that doesn't. So if you can find it, let me know in the comments below. So these are their cauliflower tacos. I'm used to the cauliflower being drenched in buffalo sauce, but these were still very hot and very tasty. So it is now the next day. I did not get home until 1:30 in the morning yesterday, or today, I guess. But I had a fantastic night. I met a lot of really amazing people and was not expecting any of that to happen. So you're not even gonna be able to tell based on the video that I did, but I just want to let you guys know we did go to Unruly Brewing, which also has Rebel Pies, so we got that pizza. And then we went to Rad Dad's, and they have a taco tequila bar. So that was a lot of fun. That's kind of just where we hung out for the rest of the night because I had cornhole and lots of really good drinks and pretty decent options. So I'm gonna put their information in the description below if you guys want to check them out either on Instagram or wherever. But I hope you enjoyed this. It's not a very long video, and that's okay. But I will be going out of state next weekend to film some more. So I'm excited to bring you guys along on that trip. And thanks for joining me this week on Our Twisted Kitchen. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And I hope you have a wonderful day.